how to fix not receiving mail notifications on your iPhone. If your iPhone isn't sending you notifications for one of your email accounts, I'll walk you through how to quickly fix this problem. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Then scroll again until you find Mail and select it. Make sure Allow Notifications is enabled, and ensure all of the alert options are turned on as well. You can also choose to enable a notification sound. Make sure badges are turned on, then tap Customize Notifications at the bottom. Set this to all unread messages, then scroll to your email, accounts, and select the account that isn't receiving notifications. Make sure alerts and badges are both enabled. You can also check your other email accounts and ensure alerts and badges are switched on for them too. Next, tap Primary Inbox and confirm that alerts are enabled there as well. Once done, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to Battery and open it. At the bottom of that page, make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as this can prevent notifications. Finally, return once again to the main settings page. Scroll down to Apps, then scroll until you find Mail and open it. Tap Mail Accounts, then choose Fetch New Data. Ensure that Push is turned on and active. After completing these steps, open your Mail app, and you should start receiving notifications properly again. Feel free to comment below if this helped you.